If you're looking for rough country discount codes, here are the best ways to find legit savings on off-road accessories, suspension kits, and more. First is to check Simply Codes. Visit simplycodes.com/store/roughcountry.com to find the latest promo codes. While most codes are unverified, most codes appear out of nowhere. So it's worth checking daily for updates. Next is subscribe to the Rough Country newsletter. Signing up for the official newsletter gives you access to exclusive discounts, upcoming sales, and special promotions that aren't always publicly available. So scroll down to the very bottom of roughcountry.com and then you'll see the Stay Connected field. Next is to enter your email here and then click this next button. And it will say this, thank you for subscribing if it's successful. And then lastly is to actually message Rough Country for a discount. Some customers have had success by contacting Rough Country directly via email or live chat to ask about available promo codes or special offers. It doesn't hurt to try. So that's basically it.